लोकांगे इन्शुरन्सीस आहाय, लोकांगे ते आहाय, तें पयलीं सेटल करे. लोक आज खबर जाला बिजनस ना. रेवेन्यू जोडपाकूच ट्राय करनाकाय. लोकांक वयले बर्डन देवूच सुवातेर लोकांगे बर्डन इन्क्रीज करनाकाय. देयरफॉर वी डिमांड दॅट आमी डिमांड करतात की हो एक्ट पळय आहा तो 2020 पयलीं इम्प्लिमेंट जावपा जायना. लोकांक त्रास करूं जायना आनी लोकांगे इंट्रस्ट सांबाळपाक टॅक्सीस देंवोवपाच्यो जावं इन्शुरन्सीस देंवोवपाच्यो जावं आनी ह्यो सुविधा लोकांक उणी करपाक ट्राय करया म्हण. आतां दॅट ट्रॅप्स पॉट होल सारके नाही. पॉट होल अजून देखो सारको काडलो नाही. दॅट ट्रॅप्स आहाय तेही केला. पार्किंग स्पेसीस डेजिग्नेटेड नाही की बारीक मनशाचेर रेवेन्यू कितको ते काबा करप संपोवप आनी तेका रेवेन्यू कोन्न तुगे गव्हर्मेंट चलोवप आनी तुगे चोरप हें जालो आहा. आतां आय हॅव रिटन टू देम नॉट टू इम्प्लिमेंट इट नाव. इट हॅज टू बी इम्प्लिमेंटेड आफ्टर 2020 बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इन अ पोजिशन. आनी तो सांगो सोदिता मॉविन गोदियानाक हांव सांगो सोदिता गोंयची इंट्रस्ट पयली सांबाळ. दाखोवपाक सोदनाका दॅट यू आर अ गुड BJP हें म्हूण दॅट यू आर गुड BJP शो दॅट यू आर BJP कार्यकर्तो. If he is really interested in Goa, he should say that the center should show interest in Madai, which is the mother of ours, which is the lifeline of us. Ada, we don't want. आमकां नाका तो इम्प्लिमेंट केलोलो. हांवें 2-3 लेटर बरयले असेंब्लीन तो इशू केलो आहा. My correspondents are with me. What I have written to the Chief Minister and highlighting the issues. I have been highlighting this issue for a long time. It's not today only and yesterday that I have been highlighting. I have been highlighting in the assembly, out of the assembly. I have written letters to them. I am even explaining to them what is happening. So my lawyer intervened and told bench that we want time to intervene. Give us time. So the judge asked us, judge and विचारले आमकां की तुगे हें कितें? What is your objection? So we explained to them arming objection only as far as Raia is concerned, that no material whatsoever or no remediation or anything to be done in the Raia village because the garbage consists of this, of Margao municipality. And second, that area comes under forest, forest has decided to put there, and it is a non-development zone, and it is already coming under private forest. Based on that, the judge said that there nothing, that they have not selected that site. So we said we have no objections, we will back out, with condition that again if Raia is taken, that we may intervene again, we may allow to intervene again.